If President Trump chooses to keep me as acting, that's an honor. If he chooses to nominate somebody else and asks me to go do something else, I will say, thank you very much. I love you, sir.
That was Todd Blanche, Trump's official nominee for Attorney General. He's Trump's current crony and former defense lawyer, and he's famous for trying to protect Trump from the horrifying Epstein scandal. Here are the top 5 reasons why Congress should stop this dangerous nomination. In May, Blanche signaled a settlement creating Trump's corrupt $1.8 billion taxpayer-funded slush fund with no oversight, the one he's using to take your money and give it to insurrectionists.
If you look at what happened to the men and women convicted because of January 6th, by 5 p.m. on January 20th, every one of them was either pardoned or had their sentence commuted, okay?
Do you feel they should get compensation after being convicted of violent acts?
My feelings don't matter, Senator. My mind is not limiting to say this, yes, I will commit to this or that.
And he's even added a provision that shields Trump and his shady family from IRS investigations. Blanche went on Fox News in January to argue that it isn't a crime to party with Mr. Epstein, and has been trying to protect his boss, who is obviously implicated in the Epstein files.
The House Oversight Committee releasing the transcript from that closed-door meeting with former Attorney General Pam Bondi. Now, she did answer questions about the Justice Department's handling of the Epstein investigation.
Every time she answered that it was the Deputy Attorney General, now the Acting Attorney General, Todd Blanche.
Bondi claimed that he was in charge of the process and the entire release of the Epstein files.
3 months later, he announced a politically motivated indictment against the Southern Poverty Law Center, and did it with false statements that he was forced to partially retract. In that same week, Blanche secured a second politically motivated indictment of former FBI Director James Comey, furthering Trump's heinous retribution agenda.
While this case is unique and this indictment stands out because of the name of the defendant, his alleged conduct is the same kind of conduct that we will never tolerate and that we will always investigate and regularly prosecute.
And if all of that wasn't enough, Todd Blanche has also boasted about firing DOJ employees that worked on cases involving Trump, which tells you he's all about weaponizing the DOJ to serve Trump's personal agenda.
There is not a single man or woman at the Department of Justice who had anything to do with those prosecutions. Over 200 either left before we came in because they knew it was coming or were fired or took early retirement. They are no longer employed by this department.
Todd Blanche is the last person who should be Attorney General. Congress needs to step up and reject this horrendously unfit and dangerous nominee.